Well, Easter is this weekend, and along with the bunnies, the egg hunts, and your favorite service, the food takes center stage.
Yeah, it is a time when family comes together around the table to celebrate. And while that can seem like a big undertaking for the person who's hosting to feed the crowd, our friends at Our Family Foods and SpartanNash want to make life a little easier. We've got Lauren here to make our Easter dinner delightful, but maybe a little more simple, so you're not all stressed out for Easter.
Exactly.
Thanks so much for being here, dear.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
We have a lot of great options that are available in our deli. I picked up the broccoli salad from our deli, the twice baked potatoes, and it really makes a super easy and tasty Easter dinner.
I love that. And the brand, Finest Reserve, can you speak to that? I mean, that is some pretty good stuff.
Yeah, it sure is. We have a couple new things here. These actually just went in stores like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, wow, they're brand new.
Yeah,
Okay.
they really are. So we have egg bites and crepes. So there's like a ham and Swiss, spinach, bacon, and cheddar, all kinds of different options that you can enjoy. They're in the freezer aisle, so they're really easy. You just put them in the microwave for 2 minutes and you have a great breakfast.
You're kidding, crepes?
Yeah.
What are they stuffed with? What kind of varieties do you have?
So for the crepes, we have one that's spinach, bacon, and Swiss.
Ooh, savory.
We have a ham and cheddar one. We also have a bacon and cheddar as well. Lots of good options.
I like that.
Yeah.
I mean, that takes you beyond Easter, too, because that's like, daily, get out the door, grab and go, and be
It's so
well
easy.
fed. Yeah.
And it tastes so good, too.
Absolutely. And then I am eyeing this bread. Let's talk about this recipe that you made. You said that it just even shocked you after you made it, right?
The brioche bread is amazing. That actually just launched in stores as well. It's from our Fresh and Finest brand. So that's more of our fresh products that you'll find in the produce and deli bakery areas, and it is amazing. It made the best French toast, and it also comes in hamburger and hot dog buns too, so you can use it all year round.
Okay, and this is the Fresh and Finest?
Fresh and Finest,
Fresh and Finest brand. Well, I'll make sure I know what I'm looking for when I go to the store. But this Finest Reserve, this kind of, it's kind of like the upscale, still saving us money, price point, love it. That dessert, I mean, you can have that one. I'm going to take this guy right
you
here.
do? I said I want these. They're chocolate raspberry creams.
This has sea
Lauren,
salt.
can I open this?
Oh, absolutely.
Sea salt milk chocolates.
Yeah. Oh, they're the best.
They're not easy to eat and talk at the same time. I'll try one of these.
I'm going to keep those. But, I mean, talk a little bit about
the recipe, though.
This fun, like, bird's nest recipe, little eggs in there?
Yeah, they're super, super easy to make. It's a great recipe to bring kids into the kitchen and try a recipe with them. All you do is melt Our Family almond bark down, add some peanut butter, and mix that together with some crunchy, like chow mein noodles and peanuts, and you've got a really fun and easy recipe.
I love that. You always bring the really fun kid stuff to get those kids in the kitchen cooking, participating in all of the fun, right? And then we talk again about the deli, because this is as easy as coming in, picking it up. Don't have to pre-order. You just show up and get it, right?
100%. Yeah, that is always available in our deli case, whether it's for Easter or just a regular celebration throughout the year. You can stop in and get as much or as little as you want, depending how many people you have, and it takes no prep.
Just put it in the oven.
Main dish.
Yeah.
The ham.
It is a hot...
Is this your first one?
It is my first one.
This is the first ham you ever made, Lauren, and it looks amazing.
Yeah. I know. I can't...
Give it some real TV time. Talk about
it was so easy, honestly. It's a recipe on the Our Family Foods website, and it's a hot honey bruleed ham.
A hot honey bruleed ham. So So
it has a little bit of sweet, a little bit of spice. There's honey, brown sugar, some orange zest, some red pepper flakes, and it is so easy and so delicious.
Yeah, how hard is it to bring that to the table?
Beyond easy.
Beyond easy.
Throw some stuff on it, put it in the oven, pop it on the table.
There it is.
Done. I love that. So we can find all of these recipes. Where do we go?
Yeah, head over to the Our Family Foods website. That's ourfamilyfoods.com. We have a lot more recipes than what you see here. There's hundreds on the website.
Really
you really can't go wrong. There's something, no matter what you're looking for. We have a lot of options.
And of course, I'll mention again, I love the price point. All right. ourfamilyfoods.com/recipe/Easter-recipes if you want to get real specific, but we'll have those linked for you. I just follow them on social media. Things
there you go. Start the TikToks, right?
We are on TikTok too.
I see that. There you go. Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and Facebook.